All right, in this video, we're going to be placing a buy stop order using the Alpaca Markets API. Difference between a stop and a limit order. The stop order is more focused on the timing and execution, whereas a limit order is more focused on pricing. They function very similarly. We're going to do it for Airbnb, as you just saw there. We'll just check the price of Airbnb real quick on the dashboard here. $124.90. This is pre-market. So once we place this, it'll execute. If the pricing, if the stop hits, the stop price hits while the market is open. So we're going to come to the API documentation here, head over to API reference, and then go to orders where we can build out our order here. So as I mentioned, we're going to do it for Airbnb. Now, if your key and secret key aren't in here, you can regenerate them on the dashboard. So we'll click regenerate, generate new keys, and we'll go grab that key, drop it in here. You can see it filling in the request. And we'll grab the secret key and we'll fill that in here. We're going to do 10 shares of Airbnb. It's a buy and we're doing a stop order as the type. And then the last thing we need to do is enter in the stop price. We want to do, if it recedes to 120, we said it was at 124.90 right now. If it comes down to 120, then we want to execute this trade for 10 shares, buying 10 shares of Airbnb. So the request is built. We just got to go ahead and copy the request. That's the nice part about Alpaca's documentation here. Built it out for you. We'll paste it into an empty Jupyter notebook. I always like to import JSON because the return message is always a lot nicer looking than print. So we'll do JSON.loads, shift enter to run that. It's going to run Airbnb 10 shares, stop, buy to open. So looks good. We'll come back over to our dashboard, just check to make sure. Yep, Airbnb stopped at. This is going to sit as just an open order until when the market opens, and then it can be executed at that stop price. So that is a buy stop order for Airbnb.